Hi, I'm Zuri, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make banana-based ice cream for all you parents who have kids with allergies. So what you're going to want to do is the night before you make it, you're going to want to peel some bananas, put them in a plastic baggie or whatever bag you have, and put them in the freezer. When you take them out the next day, you're going to want to put them in a blender or something that can blend them, and then you're going to you're gonna want to get some type of milk, and you're gonna pour it in.
What kind of milk is it?
I'm putting coconut milk because I'm lactose intolerant. So.
You are not lactose intolerant.
So do it clear. Tell me when to stop.
That's good. So you are allergic to milk. You're not lactose intolerant.
Yes. So when you do this, you're gonna want to put on.
Okay, be careful. Mm-hmm.
You're going to want to put on the top. Once you do this, you're going to want to put it in the blender. Now, when it gets stuck like this, you're just going to want to take it out. Want to shake it up a little bit.
Okay.
Shake, 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 shake. And then you're gonna want to, once you've shaken it well, you're just gonna want to put it right back where it was, secure it. Then you're just gonna want to blend it until it's a nice consistency. Once it's a nice consistency, you're just going to want to take it out, unscrew the lid, and you're going to want to take your bowl or dish and just pour it in there. If it's too chunky, that's fine. You're just going to want to take a spoon, just scoop it out, and if it's really chunky, that's even better because it's supposed to be banana-based ice cream. Just going to, I like to get all of it out because it's very delicious. And if you would like, you can always add sugar to make it sweeter or any of your toppings, but I like it plain, so. And our finished product is banana-based ice cream. As you can see, this is our lovely, delicious finished product. So, I'll see you guys later in the next video where we will be making popsicles with dairy-free yogurt. Bye! And make sure to check out my mom's book, Emma's Special Tummy. Bye-bye!